Right, okay, so this is probably going to be the shortest video that I've done ever. So the Mercedes is up on axle stands and, well, there's been a bit of disaster. I'm actually having to film this on my iPhone because my camera has also gone kaput. Basically, I went to get tyres on the Mercedes this morning and I knew they needed changing because the tread is like wearing low, and you'll see in a minute, I'll show you the tyres. So I turned up, booked it all in, booked in for some tyres, took the wheels off, and every single wheel on the Mercedes is absolutely shot. So every wheel's got a crack in it. The rears have got 3 cracks in each of them. It's an absolute nightmare. So as you can see, the wheels are there. Basically what's happened, and again, I'll show you a quick video that I did at the tyre place. The tread has come away from the wall because it's been sat against the lip on the wheel. So the reason I'm doing this video is no other reason than to say to you guys, look, if you're going to put bigger wheels on your car and you're going to put lower profile tyres on your car, look out for this, because this has caught me and it's bit me in the arse. So these cost me nearly £2,000 less than 8 months ago, and I've just had to go out and spend another 1,500 quid on a set of wheels. I'm going back to 19-inch wheels, aftermarket wheels. Again, Wheelmania have hooked me up. Now, I am taking these wheels back to Wheelmania and the tyres so they can do some investigation to see whether or not there's a damage, something wrong with the wheels when they were made, something wrong with the tyres, or whether or not it's just purely because of the UK roads. And I have to say, Wheelmania again, knocked it out of the park. They've been absolutely superb. So now what we've got to do, we've got to get these loaded up and get them over to Wheelmania. So it's the following day and I managed to get over to Wheelmania yesterday, dropped the wheels off. We actually put them on the balancing machine, and to be honest with you, the wheels were toast. They were buckled. I took all 4 wheels over and all 4 wheels were buckled in some way. And I don't know whether or not that's just the road conditions in the UK or whether it was 20 inches or whether the suspension's a little bit too hard. I don't think it's the suspension, I really think it's the road conditions. Now, I spend most of my time going up and down the motorway in the Mercedes, but there are a few speed bumps and a couple of potholes that I may have hit. But that said, not enough to like damage the wheels in the way that they were actually damaged. But in true spirit, Wheelmania have come through again, and at some point next week the new wheels for the Mercedes will be landing. Now, like I said, I've gone from the 20-inch by 10s down to back down to 19s, 9.5s on the rear, and actually 8s on the front. By 19, give me probably a little better ride and stop the wheels from getting damaged, because I can't afford to replace my wheels every 8 months. It's just ridiculous. Thanks to Wheelmania, they've given me some loan wheels. I'm going to show you them in a minute. They've come through, and at least I can drive the car until the new wheels turn up next week, and we can do the reveal on the new wheels again at Wheelmania. So here we are. These are the loaner wheels. So these are multi-spoke Mercedes wheels on the front, and then if we come to the back, we've got some proper old school Team Dynamics. I don't even know what model wheels these are. I just know back in the early noughties, late 90s, these were like the wheels to have. These were awesome. But on the Mercedes, I mean, now they are so dated. So there we are, guys. I'm paying homage to the late 90s and early noughties with the rear dynamic, Team Dynamic wheels on the Mercedes. I'm not going to say anything about the front multi-spoke because they're just, yeah, there's nothing you can say. So there we are. I am paying homage to the late 90s and early noughties, kind of the max power generation. Now, talking of max power, the last weekend of August, the 28th and 29th, I think 28th is the Sunday, I will be down at the British Motor Museum showing the Mercedes at the Max Power Reunion show. It's a really good show. You get to see all the cars from like the 90s and the noughties with the big body kits on, and it's just a real good kind of get together of all of those cars. And there's some new cars that are being done in that style to keep that style alive. And again, it's all about getting together and just having a good time and talking about cars. And if you see me down there, the Mercedes will be on show. Come and say hello, come and speak to me. Let's have a chat. It's going to be great. So guys, that's it for this video. There will be a second part to this video where we get the wheels, the new wheels from Mercedes, and I am changing them to completely different wheels. So that will be in the next video, and also, hopefully, I'm going to do the next modification in the next video. It's a big one that I've been looking forward to doing for absolutely ages. So guys, don't forget, if you like what you see, smash that subscribe button, turn the notifications on, give me a thumbs up and comment in the comment section below. And as always guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.